In this video, we'll be simplifying a fraction that involves variable exponents. The biggest mistakes that students make with this type of problem is thinking that they can cancel terms. You cannot cancel terms. If you're going to do any kind of simplifying at all, you need to factor just the numerator or just the denominator, and then see if you can cancel. So in this problem, I am noticing that my numerator is a difference of squares. Now I'm calling these squares because let's look at our rule for factoring the difference of squares. If I have x squared minus y squared, I can factor this into x plus y times x minus y. Now, let me point out that these exponents, this is a 1, which is just half of this exponent here. And this one's 1 also. So let me do another one. If I had x to the 10th minus y to the 8th, the factoring of that would be x to the 5th plus y to the 4th times x to the 5th minus y to the 4th. Okay? And we could check ourselves. X to the 5th times x to the 5th, you add those exponents, so that gives you x to the 10th. So what you're going to do when you factor the difference of squares is you're going to take your original exponent and divide it by 2. And that's what your term will be in your factored form. So let's do that with our problem. This becomes x to the, and then when I divide that by 2, I get just a. So x to the a plus y to the b multiplied by x to the a minus y to the b. And that's over x to the a plus y to the b. Now if you'll notice, I have a binomial, the whole thing, x to the a plus y to the b. This whole binomial will cancel. Never ever cancel just terms. Okay? So with that whole binomial, x to the a plus y to the b over x to the a plus y to the b, that's equal to 1. And so I end up with x to the a minus y to the b as my answer.